Welcome to the Airfryer Toaster 2023 channel, your one-stop destination for the latest and greatest in air fryer toaster ovens. We're here to help you find the perfect air fryer toaster for your kitchen. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution, stay tuned because we've got the top 10 air fryer toaster ovens for you. Do you ever find yourself struggling to choose the right air fryer toaster oven? With so many options on the market, it can be a daunting task to figure out which one suits your needs. But worry not, we've got you covered. Let's dive into our top 10 air fryer toaster ovens. 10 COSORI Pro 2 Air Fryer Oven Combo, 5.8 QD Large Air Fryer Cooker with 12-1. Introducing the COSORI Air Fryer, your kitchen's new best friend. With 12 one-touch cooking functions, customizable presets, and AdaptIQ technology for crispy perfection, it's a culinary game-changer. Save your favorite flavors and get inspired by our cookbook. Buy now through this video link for a healthier, tastier future. 9 Instant Pot XL 8 QD Dual Basket Air Fryer Oven, from the makers of Instant Pot, 2 independent baskets. Unlock culinary versatility with our 8-in-1 dual basket air fryer. Watch your food cook through clear cook windows and enjoy synchronized cooking with Sync Cook and Sync Finish. Plus, even crisp technology guarantees that perfect golden finish every time. Simplify your cooking with one-touch smart programs. Buy now via this video link for effortless, gourmet meals. 8 Ninja AF101 Air Fryer that crisps, roasts, reheats, and dehydrates for quick, easy meals for quart capacity and high-gloss finish. Indulge without guilt with our Shark Air Fryer. It delivers up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. With a wide temperature range, family-sized capacity, and 4-in-1 versatility, it's perfect for healthy cooking. Dehydrate your own snacks and enjoy easy cleanup. Purchase yours now through this video link. 7 Dreo Air Fryer Pro Max, 6.8 QD, 11-in-1 digital air fryer oven cooker with visible window, 100 recipes, supports customizable cooking. Experience the perfect blend of taste and health with the Dreo Air Fryer. Its smart temperature control system ensures crispy exteriors and tender interiors while saving 30% cooking time. This 6.8 QD wonder serves 3 to 5 people, and its 5 cooking modes cover all your culinary needs. Plus, enjoy the convenience of a transparent viewing window and a free cookbook with 100 delicious recipes. Buy now via this video link. 6th COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven, 13 QT Air Fryer fits 8-inch pizza, 11-in-1 functions with Rotisserie, Dehydrate, dual heating elements with Convection fan for fast cooking. Elevate your cooking game with the 13-quart COSORI Air Fryer. It offers an array of cooking functions like air frying, baking, broiling, and more. Cook faster, healthier meals with 40% less fat. The rapid heat circulation ensures even results. Enjoy the convenience of a food window and oven light. Plus, find additional accessories and original recipes. Buy now through this video link for better taste and safety. 5 Chefman TurboFry Digital Air Fryer, XL8 QT Family Size, One-Touch Digital Control Presets. Experience the magic of healthier, crispy cooking with our digital air fryer oven. With 98% less oil, it's perfect for veggies, pizza, and more. Large presets simplify cooking, and the LED shake reminder ensures even crispiness. Adjust temperatures from 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to suit your taste. Cleaning is effortless, and it prioritizes safety with intelligent shutoff. Cook for 4 to 6 people swiftly and elegantly. Trust in our quality and buy now through this video link. For Instant Pot 10-quart Air Fryer. Unlock 7-in-1 culinary magic with our versatile air fryer oven. Fry, bake, roast, and more with adjustable temperature settings from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Even crisp technology ensures golden, tender results. Enjoy rotisserie-style cooking with top-notch performance. Get cooking with one-touch programs and experience fast preheating. It comes with all the accessories you need. Cleaning is a breeze, and safety features guarantee peace of mind. Discover amazing recipes via our free Instant Pot app. Buy now through this video link. 3 West Bend AFWB 12BK13 electric air fryer oven, countertop air fryer rotisserie combo with 10 digital quick menu presets, 1700W. Experience versatile cooking with our large air fryer oven, offering 6 functions: air fry, bake, roast, rotisserie, dehydrate, and reheat. Enjoy quick meals with 10 presets. The 12.6 QT capacity lets you cook entire meals in one go. Cyclonic crisping technology ensures crispy results while cutting fat by 75%. Buy now through this video link. 2 Instant Pot Vortex Pro Air Fryer, 10 quart, 9-in-1 rotisserie and convection oven, from the makers of Instant Pot with Even Crisp technology. Elevate your culinary skills with this 9-in-1 air fryer oven. It air fries, bakes, broils, roasts, dehydrates, and more. Even Crisp technology guarantees golden, crispy results. The rotisserie feature is perfect for self-basting and tumble frying, while one-touch programs simplify cooking. Fast preheating, included accessories, and easy cleanup make it a kitchen must-have. Buy now through this video link. 1 NuWave Dreo 15.5 QT Air Fryer Rotisserie Oven, X large family size, powerful 1800W. Elevate your cooking with the Dreo Air Fryer Oven, offering on-the-fly adjustments, precise digital controls, and a powerful convection fan for unrivaled results. Enjoy multi-layer cooking with 4 rack positions and a self-basting rotisserie feature. Create healthy fried foods without the guilt, and rely on the integrated digital smart thermometer and 100 pre-programmed menu presets. It's a kitchen essential. Buy now via this video link. Now, it's your turn. Which of these fantastic air fryer toaster ovens would you choose? Let us know in the comments section below. And remember, your opinion matters. If you've tried any of these products and have feedback, feel free to share it. We're here to create a community where the best products shine. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our next videos, where we'll continue to bring you the latest and greatest in kitchen appliances. Thanks for watching, and happy air frying!